Bowers&Wilkins A5 delivers outstanding wireless audio performance without dominating your environment. Its subtle design and versatile size allow it to be placed pretty much anywhere, yet it performs brilliantly with remarkably detailed acoustic reproduction. With no dock and minimal controls, A5 is an exercise in refinement and simplicity. Just use the free Bowers&Wilkins AirPlay Setup app to hook it up to your wireless network, and within minutes you'll be streaming music from iPhones, iPads and computers running iTunes. And if you add more A5s, or its bigger brother A7, you can have wireless music everywhere in your home. Simply take your tunes with you and select the speaker for the room you're in. With A5, it really is that simple to get great wireless sound wherever and whenever you want.